Your video is not competing with other videos. It is competing with boredom. And boredom is undefeated when your idea feels unclear. Most beginners think viral videos are random lucky accidents. But viral videos usually work because they trigger very human reactions. They make people curious, emotional, understood, or desperate to know what happens next. By the end of this video, you will understand why people click, why they stay, and why they share. Not so you can trick people, so you can make videos people actually care about. The first thing to understand is simple. People do not click because a video is good. They click because they expect the video to be worth their time. That expectation comes from the title, thumbnail, and topic. Together, they create a promise. The viewer silently asks, "What will I get if I click this?" Maybe they want an answer. Maybe they want entertainment. Maybe they want to feel smarter. Maybe they just want someone to explain a feeling they already have. This is why vague video ideas disappear. A title like, "My YouTube advice," does not create a strong reason to click. But why your videos get ignored instantly names a pain. The viewer feels seen before the video even starts. That feeling is powerful, because attention often begins with recognition. When a viewer thinks, "That is exactly my problem," they pause. And that pause is where the battle starts. But a click is not a victory yet, because now the video has to prove the promise quickly. This is where most beginners lose people. They start with a slow introduction. They explain why they made the video. They warm up before getting to the point. But online viewers do not reward warm-ups. They reward momentum. A good hook creates tension immediately. Tension means the viewer feels a gap between what they know and what they want to know. For example, your videos are not failing because you are bad at YouTube. Now the viewer has to know the real reason. That is a curiosity gap. But here's the catch. A curiosity gap only works if the video actually closes it. Fake mystery feels like clickbait. Real mystery feels like a question worth answering. The next piece of the science is reward. People keep watching when the video gives them small rewards often. A reward can be a useful idea. A reward can be a funny moment. A reward can be a surprising truth. A reward can be a sentence that makes the viewer feel understood. Bad videos make people wait too long for a reward. Strong videos keep creating little reasons to stay. This does not mean every second needs explosions. It means every part should move the viewer forward. A question gets answered. A problem becomes clearer. A mistake gets exposed. A new idea clicks into place. This is why structure matters so much. A viral video is not just a pile of interesting moments. It is a chain reaction. The title creates the first question. The hook makes that question feel urgent. The middle keeps rewarding the viewer for staying. The ending gives them something simple to remember. Now here is where viral videos get even more interesting. People do not share videos only because they liked them. They share videos because the video says something about them. Sharing is often identity. A viewer might share a video because it makes them look smart. They might share it because it explains something they could not explain themselves. They might share it because it helps a friend. Or they might share it because it is funny enough to become social currency. This is why emotion matters. Information can be useful, but emotion makes information memorable. If a viewer remembers your idea later, the video keeps living in their head. And if they can explain it to someone else, it has a chance to spread. That is why simple ideas travel better than complicated ones. Beginners often try to sound impressive, but viral ideas are usually easy to repeat. A good test is this. After watching your video, what would someone tell a friend it was about? If the answer is confusing, the idea is probably too blurry. If the answer is clear, the video has a stronger chance. But clarity alone is not enough. The idea also needs an angle. An angle is the specific way you frame the topic. How to grow on YouTube is broad. Why your first videos feel invisible is sharper. It names a real stage, a real pain, and a real question. That makes the viewer feel like the video was made for them. This is the real purpose of a niche. A niche is not just a topic. It is a group of people with specific problems. The more clearly you understand their problem, the stronger your video feels. A beginner creator should not start by asking, "What can I talk about?" They should ask, "What is my viewer already thinking about?" That question changes everything, because viral videos usually meet existing desire. They do not create desire from nothing. They take a feeling people already have and give it shape. This is also why timing matters. If people are already thinking about a topic, the video has wind behind it. But chasing trends blindly is a trap. If the trend does not match your viewer, it feels random. The smarter move is connecting a trend to your viewer's real problem. That keeps your channel relevant without making it messy. Now let's talk about the algorithm without treating it like magic. The algorithm is not sitting there deciding who deserves success. It mostly reacts to viewer behavior. If people click, keep watching, and leave satisfied, the platform gets a signal. That signal says, "People like this video for this kind of viewer," so the platform may test it with more similar people. If those people respond well too, the video can spread further. But if the title gets clicks and the video disappoints, the signal weakens. This is why clickbait can backfire. A misleading promise may win one click, but it can lose the viewer's trust. And trust is one of the most valuable things a creator can build. A viewer who trusts you is more likely to come back later. So the real goal is not to trick the algorithm. The goal is to make a clear promise and deliver on it. Even better, deliver slightly more than they expected. Not more noise, not more random information, more clarity, more honesty, more emotion, or more useful examples. That makes the viewer feel like their time was respected. And that feeling is rare online. Here is a simple way to build a stronger viral style idea. First, find the viewer's real problem. Second, find the emotional reason they care. Third, create a payoff that actually satisfies the click. If one piece is missing, the idea becomes weaker. A problem without emotion feels dry. Emotion without payoff feels empty. Payoff without a clear problem feels random. But when all three overlap, the video has a reason to exist. Before making your next video, try this test. Write the viewer's problem in one sentence. Then write why they emotionally care about it. Then write what they will understand by the end. If you cannot write those 3 lines, the video idea is not ready yet. This saves you from making videos that only sound interesting to you, because the viewer does not click for your topic. They click for their own reason. That is not selfish. It is just human. People pay attention to things that connect to their life. So if you want better videos, start closer to the viewer. Use the words they already use. Show the frustration they already feel. Then give them the clarity they were hoping to find. That is not manipulation. That is communication. The final truth is this. Viral videos feel simple to watch, but they are carefully designed. The viewer experiences one smooth journey. The creator has to build that journey on purpose. That means cutting anything that does not serve the promise. It means removing slow intros. It means replacing vague advice with specific examples. It means making every section answer, deepen, or sharpen the main idea. This is why good videos feel focused. And focus makes the viewer feel safe staying, because they can tell the video is going somewhere. So can you force a video to go viral? No. But you can make a video that deserves a real chance. You can make the promise clearer. You can make the hook stronger. You can make the payoff more satisfying. You can make the idea easier to remember and share. That is the part you control. Virality is never guaranteed. But attention, emotion, clarity, and trust are not random. They are the science behind why people keep watching. And they are the craft behind why people come back. So before you make your next video, do not ask, "Will this go viral?" Ask a better question. Will someone instantly understand why this matters? If the answer is yes, you are already thinking differently from most beginners. Because viral videos do not start with luck. They start with understanding people. And the better you understand people, the better your videos become. That is the real science. Not magic, not tricks. A clear promise, a curious beginning, a satisfying journey, and a viewer who feels seen. Make that. And even if the video does not explode, you still built the skill that can.